Welcome to the BGIS Supplier Orientation. As the leading provider of real estate management services in North America, BGIS works with thousands of supplier partners across the country. Together, our goal is to create memorable customer experiences by providing service delivery excellence. This orientation video provides important information regarding BGIS processes, tools, and expectations. The following information will provide key objectives. Number 1. Supplier responsibilities. What are your responsibilities as they relate to this orientation program? Number 2. BGIS. Who are we and what are our values? Number 3. Supplier Code of Conduct. What our expectations are of our suppliers. Number 4. What is the required qualification compliance? Number 5. Our commitment to health and safety and our expectations of you. Number 6. Managing work orders in RealSuite. Number 7. RealSuite Compliance Management Program. Number 8. The BGIS invoice and payment processing and what you can do to ensure you get paid on time. Number 9. We will introduce the new BGIS Supplier Portal and electronic invoicing. Number 10. The BGIS website, where you can find many resources on the supplier page. Number 11. Other BGIS support resources. Number 12. Supplier testimonials. As a BGIS supplier, what are your responsibilities? Number 1. This orientation training should be reviewed by the operations team, all individuals responsible for service delivery and work order management. The individuals who are responsible for your organization's health and safety, your accounts receivable department, and your invoicing department. Number 2. Review the orientation module annually, as well as when onboarding new staff. Number 3. This orientation will be updated to include new innovations, as well as changes, updates to policies and procedures. To start, we'd like to tell you a little bit about ourselves. BGIS is a global leader in the corporate real estate industry, with offices and clients in Canada, the United States, and many more across the globe. We manage over 30,000 facilities totaling more than 320 million square feet for our clients globally, spanning several different markets. Our global team is over 7,000 team members strong. In North America, BGIS provides a full range of consulting, management, and delivery services for our customers. We are well known for our commitment to sustainability, ability to enable innovation for clients, and find cost reduction opportunities within technical real estate portfolios. Our team of over 5,400 members in North America manage over 230 million square feet of real estate, with cost savings of over 100 million in operating costs annually. BGIS is one of the top 4 critical environments facility management companies in North America, managing over 9 million square feet of critical environments facilities and providing I-Core certified services. Finally, we have a dedicated risk management office that manages disaster recovery and business continuity planning. Our team in Canada is over 5,000 members strong, managing over 24,700 client locations. We have been in operation for over 25 years and have over $2.5 billion in managed spend annually. BGIS was selected as one of Canada's safest employers for both 2017 and 2018 by Canadian Occupational Safety. In the US, we have approximately 500 team members and manage over 13.3 million square feet of real estate, with over 27.5 million in managed spend each year. Over the past year, our business in the US has rapidly expanded and continues to do so today. BGIS believes that the world of business is facing unprecedented change and that the concept of business as usual is dead. To be successful in this ever-changing world, real estate management companies need to be agile, flexible, and show a willingness to do things differently. As true partners and change agents, we are committed to pursuing a better way of doing things for our industry and for our clients. We will always do whatever it takes to make sure we deliver real results against the goals that actually drive our clients' business forward. Because in the end, we're not just responsible for serving our customers, but their customers too. Our BGIS core values are as follows: unwavering integrity, passion for innovation, living sustainably, delivering memorable customer experiences, and relentlessly building team member engagement. Consistent with our company's ethics policy and code of business conduct, the Supplier Code of Conduct has been developed to establish a minimum set of requirements for our suppliers. These principles speak to the commitments we make to our clients, our drive to deliver innovative business solutions, and relationships built on partnerships, trust, integrity, and personal responsibility. These principles establish the ethics and standards required for engaging in business with BGIS. BGIS expects its suppliers to fully comply with these principles, and in turn apply them to your own employees, agents, affiliates, suppliers, and subcontractors that you work with in delivery of goods and services for BGIS and/or BGIS clients. You can find the Supplier Code of Conduct on the supplier page of our website, bgis.com. In order to mitigate risk to BGIS and its clients, suppliers are mandated to provide compliance documentation if they are providing services to any client locations. These documents include commercial general liability insurance, workers' compensation clearance certificate, signed BGIS terms and conditions, and other client-specific documents. BGIS partners with ComplyWorks in the Canadian market and Avetta in the U.S. market to track and record suppliers' compliance documentation. Suppliers are required to register and subscribe to their services and list all the required documents in their platform. This minimizes administrative work at suppliers' end to provide such documents with each invoice. You are encouraged to keep their documents on ComplyWorks or Avetta up to date for all clients and to ensure their status remains compliant. Failure to maintain compliance will result in delays in payments for existing orders, hold from future engagements, as well as limited business opportunities from other BGIS clientele. BGIS is committed to providing safe and healthy working conditions for the prevention of work-related injury and ill health, and is committed to continual improvement of our health and safety performance. As a service provider, you must follow your own safe work processes to ensure hazards are identified and risks mitigated. These processes must meet or exceed the BGIS HSE requirements identified in the BGIS Contractor Health, Safety, and Environmental Handbook. Without exception, all workers must adhere to BGIS safety policies and applicable regulations. The Contractor Health, Safety, and Environmental Handbook, as well as our health and safety and environmental policies, can be found on the supplier page of our website, bgis.com. Any questions regarding HSE hazards and associated risks must be communicated to your BGIS contact in advance of executing work. RealSuite is the BGIS integrated technology platform and system of record that is used by many of BGIS's clients and their vendors. It provides full operational management and reporting for owned and leased locations, including building and equipment data, inspection results, work order management, both demand and preventative maintenance, capital and operational plans, and project management. Suppliers are responsible for work order management in RealSuite. Work orders can be managed through RealSuite Desktop, the BGIS Real Mobile application, interactive voice response, or IVR, and through an email hyperlink that takes you directly to the work order. RealSuite and work order management is the foundational link into our invoice processing system, also known as Oracle Cloud. BGIS has a comprehensive legislative compliance management program. Suppliers must ensure that all compliance-related planned maintenance and inspections are performed in accordance with both regulatory legislation and BGIS requirements. These requirements are outlined in the BGIS terms and conditions. Suppliers must provide copies of all service inspection reports and certificates of inspection, upload all service inspection reports and certificates to RealSuite, submit certificates of proof of inspection to the authority having jurisdiction and ensure BGIS receives a copy, and update all logbooks as required. 100% compliance is a KPI requirement. Suppliers are encouraged to refer to the BGIS invoicing guidelines found on the BGIS website. You're also encouraged to register for EFT payments with BGIS to ensure faster payment. The registration form for EFT setup is also located on the BGIS website. All the important items which must be included within an invoice are mentioned in the invoicing guidelines. They include supplier name, remittance address, PO/work order number, GST number, and invoice date, to name a few. For invoices related to work orders, it is important to ensure that invoices are only submitted against orders identified as invoiceable, and the work order status is set to completed. For any work order exceeding the client's specified threshold, approved quotations must be submitted with the invoice. To resolve any of the above issues, please contact your BGIS point of contact or email at fmsharedservices@bgis.com. For invoices related to purchase orders, it is important to ensure that the invoiced amount does not exceed the purchase order amount, and that the remittance address on the invoice is the same as what is listed on the purchase order. To resolve any of the above issues, please contact your BGIS point of contact to update the purchase order amount. You can also email sca@bgis.com for a remittance address update. BGIS is implementing a new invoice processing system via Oracle Cloud. As part of this implementation and the Oracle Cloud platform, BGIS is also launching a supplier portal. Through the supplier portal, you'll be able to check your active orders in the system and submit e-invoices against these orders, which include both purchase orders and work orders. Moreover, you can also check for invoice payment updates. To request access to the supplier portal, you can contact the BGIS OneCall team via email at onecall@bgis.com. Once the access is provided to your administrator, the administrator can manage your account and add more users within your company. Additional information, training materials, user guides, and videos are posted on the supplier page of the BGIS website. The supplier page of our website, bgis.com, provides a wealth of information for our suppliers. At the top right corner, you can select the country and language that applies to you. You can find more detailed information and training material regarding vendor qualification requirements, BGIS supplier portal, the standard BGIS terms and conditions, health, safety, and environment handbook and policies, quality policy, the supplier code of conduct, invoicing and payment, and work order management. This section provides an overview of the BGIS resources and support that are available to you. For access requests and questions related to the BGIS online tools, such as RealSuite or Supplier Portal, please contact OneCall. For inquiries related to RealSuite process, please contact BGIS Operations Shared Services Department at the posted email or phone number. For service-related inquiries, please contact the BGIS Operations Center at the client-specific email or phone number that is listed on your work order. For any invoice-related inquiries or payment issues, please contact our payment inquiry team at the listed email address. As highlighted in previous sections, the supplier page on the BGIS's website contains a wealth of information for suppliers related to HSE policy, code of conduct, terms and conditions, invoicing guidelines, and much more. As mentioned earlier, BGIS is partnering with ComplyWorks in Canada and Avetta in the US and APAC to identify and connect with vendors in the markets we serve. ComplyWorks and Avetta help you store and maintain all required qualification compliance documents. On this slide, you can read some testimonials we have received from our strategic vendors regarding ComplyWorks. We thank you for your attention, and we look forward to our continued partnership in providing a memorable customer experience for our clients.